So we're looking at a foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Now I've got this because I like to travel around with my keyboard and iPad a lot. And I wanted something that I can actually fold up that would fit quite easily. So you can see just here. So we're going to go and unbox it now and show you guys how it's set up. Now let's take it out of the box. Now it doesn't feel that heavy, which is the first important thing. You don't want to be carrying around heavy stuff, especially when you're traveling. And there's a keyboard just here. So nice and easy to open up. Now let's have a look. So it's a foldable keyboard. Let's start by opening it up. So there you are. So you've got all the correct displays, QWERTY. You've got a touch keypad over here. And you can see it's quite long. The only thing I find with this is the keys look quite small. So I'm used to typing on a bigger keyboard, obviously, but you can adjust to that as you go. And in here you've got the USB-C charging cable, which I don't need to go into. So setting up's pretty easy. So on the back here you have the there. So you've got turn on off there. So you turn it on and you've got USB-C charging there. They say it comes with several hours of battery life, which I'll have to test out. And you hold that down there to turn it on. Now see the Bluetooth lights come on. Okay, now I'm going to go set up the Mac to see how the keyboard works with it. So I'm going to go and pull my Mac over. As you can see, there's my MacBook there. Now I've just Bluetoothed the keyboard to it, which took a second. Just held down the button and it paired automatically. As you can see, I'm going to put it over the top of my keyboard here to see how it looks when it's typing. So there it is there. So as you can see, I'll bring the cursor down and to see how responsive it is straight away with the keys. It looks really good. So let's test. So hello, this is, sorry about my spelling. And you've got trackpad there. So you see the trackpad works quite well. And this is on my Mac. Again, I got used to the keys though because it's very much smaller. Works on Mac. So there you go. The keyboard works on Mac. Very, very responsive. But and here we're using the keyboard with the iPad. And I actually got the iPad to use the keyboard because, as I said, the keyboard cover was too expensive on the iPad Air Pro 13. So hello, this, pardon the spelling, this is working. So as you can see, it's very, very responsive as I'm typing. You can use this, which is good. So yes, you can see you got the caps lock keys, you got function keys, you got the tablet here. You see the keypad is also very, very responsive too. So very good to have as part of your office setup for your AirPad. So, and as you can see, this folds up like this, and that doesn't weigh much at all. So what I do is I have that as well as have this foldable case, and that's my portable office, and it saves you guys that, and that's about $50. So it saves you like $300 on a Apple case, and it's nice and light too.